Also, think about the goal. So, think about the goal. Why would you need ACCA? You probably need ACCA to advance your career. So think about it that every session you have not qualified, you are losing job opportunities. Yes, you are losing job opportunities because, well, I do understand that in some countries, HRs don't really know what ACCA is and so on, but you don't need any job, you need the job, right? And if we're talking about major companies that provide flexibility, mobility, and so on, then they do care about ACCA because that is one they understand. And this means that despite the fact that ACCA qualification does not guarantee you to be hired, still it is much, much easier for you to get the job compared to those that don't have this very certificate. Because yes, job market is tough and there are so many of you. So try to stand out and think about this ultimate goal. Unless this ultimate goal that the fact that you're going to qualify is going to impact your job, your career in the forthcoming year, and that will help you to actually progress up your career ladder and so on. Let this very goal actually motivate you. Now, okay, so what do we do in order to actually study and not to postpone everything up until the last minute? So I would say my advice number 0 would be get help. Look, I do understand that it is hard to motivate you to study when you are alone because books are hard, right? And sometimes you are going to stumble upon a question that you don't know, and it's going to take you forever to try and reveal what does it actually mean. So, whenever you can get help, please do that. If you have the ability to have an individual tutor, well, that is fantastic because the tutor can align the plan in order to meet your busy schedule. And the tutor can take into account your individual learning differences and adapt the learning style, the plan, and so on to you. Of course, it's going to be much more expensive because you should understand that for you to pay tutor's hour, well, first of all, if that is going to be a top tutor, then they, as any top professional, have high rate, and you need to increase it by the fact that the tutor needs time to prepare for the lecture. You need to pay for the taxes, compensate for the taxes, for the idle time because ACCA is very seasonal and so on. So it is quite expensive, and that's not for everyone. Then the next option would be to choose the learning provider with the tutor's support. If you have a tutor support with the learning provider, this means that should you have a question, you would get an answer and you wouldn't be not only delayed, not only it will not take you time, but also you wouldn't feel demotivated because it's so very hard, I mean, mental wise, to have something that you don't understand and you don't have any help. So choose the learning provider with the tutor support. Make sure that there are some assessments or progress tests or mocks because you need the tutor's feedback in order to understand how good you are, how well you are progressing. And even more, you need those assignment deadlines in order to keep to the plan. Well, if you can't do that, then you can find a study buddy. Well, in my experience, it didn't work properly because quite often you are just at the different stage and the study buddy can be either too fast or too slow for you. And if you are the one who's quick on the uptake, well, we can't say that you learn by explaining something to someone, but at some point of time, you will see that it takes you so much time. It's better for you to go alone. But Well, it is an option, so you can use it. But make sure that your study group is not dysfunctional. So it's great to have the support, great to have peers, but if you see that you spend so much time receiving memes or sending some jokes and so on, well, you should consider how much time you give and how much benefit you get.